Hello, Red Group. This is Red Group reading for the week. This is your first page, your story called A Jet. So just like usual, I'd like for you to go ahead and focus on the review keywords here. And let's write the first one down on your whiteboard. First one says get, G-E-T. G-E-T. Vowel, consonant, short. Whoops. Consonant, vowel, consonant. This is a CVC word, consonant, vowel, consonant. The vowel in the middle is short. That short E makes the eh sound. This word is get. This is a hard G. I should mark that. Get. G. G. Et. G. Et. Get. Get. The word is get. Let's put down the next word, which is men, M-E-N. Again, this is a CVC word, M, short E, N, M-E-N, men. And remember, men means more than one man. If you have one, it's a man. If you have two or more, it's men, men. And the last word is fell, F-E-L-L. Okay, and this word's a little different. It's got a consonant, short vowel, and a double consonant. Remember, a double consonant means two of the same letters that are together. In this case, it's LL. So you have fa, o, fell. The word is fell. Okay, good job. Did you get that down? Good job, my girl. Good job. All right. Now the next part asks you to write a prediction, and you're getting very good at this. I've been looking at your papers, Jamia. You're doing great with this. So you're going to write a prediction. You're looking at your words up here, get, men, and fell. You're looking at your title, a jet, and you're looking at this picture, and you're going to try to guess what this story is about. 3 choices again. You can write, or you can tell mom what you want to say. She'll write it down, and you can copy it. You can draw a picture, or you can try to write it on your own using your invented spelling. It's up to you. You've been doing a great job with this, but if you do have mom write it down, make sure you're using your super sentences, okay? You need some uppercase letters at the beginning, periods at the end. You're doing great. Take a minute to do that. I'll wait for you. You can put this on pause, and then when you come back, we'll read the story. Go! Welcome back. How'd you do on your prediction? I bet it's wonderful. Let's go ahead and read the story together. Remember, please follow along. You can follow along with your highlighter or your finger. Here we go. A jet is an airplane. Jets let us get places fast. A man flew the first jet. Then men wanted to go faster than sound. That's pretty fast, the time it takes sound to travel from where it originates to through the air till you can hear it. The jets flew too fast. The jets fell from the sky. Then a man flew the Bell X-1. The jet flew well. The jet flew faster than sound. pretty fast. I don't know if I'd like to go that fast. Maybe you would. I'm not sure I would, but there it is. So there's our story about Jet, and we've learned that it wasn't enough. Men learned to fly, and it wasn't enough for them to fly. They had to fly fast, and then they had to fly faster than fast. They wanted to fly faster than sound could travel even. And the first time they did it, didn't work out so well. The planes crashed, and they didn't make what they intended to do. Then there was a man that flew this one called the Bell X-1, and it flew and flew faster than sound. So now let's turn her to the back and answer our questions. Get some colors today. Okay. And our choices for number 1 today are men, jet, or well. Men, jet, or well. And here's what the question says. A blank is an airplane. A what is an airplane? A men, a jet, or a well? Circle your answer and then write it up in the blank for me. A blank is an airplane. I'm looking at number 2. Your choices are let, well, or then. Which word goes in the blank? The question says, jets blank men get places fast. Jets let men, jets well men, or jets then men get places fast. Circle the correct answer and write it up in the blank. And we'll go on to number 3. Your choices for number 3 are fell, then, or jet. Okay, fell, then, or jet. And the question says, the jets blank from the sky. The jets blank from the sky. What do you think it is? The jets fell from the sky, the jets then from the sky, or the jets jet from the sky? Circle the correct answer and write it in the blank. We've got one more of these. All right. Our choices for number 4, excuse me. Jet, fell, or men. And the question says, the blank wanted to go faster than sound. The jet wanted to go faster than sound. The fell wanted to go faster than sound. Or the men wanted to go faster than sound. Circle your choice and write it in the blank for me. And the next question says, why did some jets fall from the sky? We're going to look back in the text to find the answer to this. So let's find some key words there. Maybe fall and sky. Let's find out the answer. Let's go back to the text. We're looking for words like fall and sky. Okay, those are our key words. Let's see if we can find them in the text. Oh, here it is. Fell and sky. We know that our answer to this question is going to be somewhere around these words. So let's read the sentence before. The jets flew too fast. The jets fell from the sky. Oh, this tells us why. Tells us why they fell from the sky. If we look at the sentence right before, the jets flew too fast. There's your answer. The jets flew too fast. That's the answer that you need to write on the front of this page. Please make sure you copy it exactly so that you're using a super sentence for me. And that is what goes right up here. Okay? And then let's take a look at our practice word list. Practice word list. Sorry, I dropped my whiteboard. Practice word list. And let's look at the first list. The first words are get, let, jet, pet, and bet. What do all of these words have in common? What makes them rhyme is the ending sound. That would be the ending last letter, and then the vowel that's associated with that. So let's, over here we got G, E, T, L, E, T, J, E, T, P, E, T, and B, E, T. So the word family that these words belong to is the et family. That's E-T, et family. Now let's go on to the next one. These words say men, then, den, ten, and ben. Oh, I see a capital letter here. What does that mean about the word ben? It's an important word. In this case, it's a name. When we write the word Jamia, we always use a capital letter because it's important. Because Jamia is important. So is Ben. That's why he's got a capital letter right there. Okay, and what do all of these words have in common? Let's spell them. M-E-N, T-H-E-N, D-E-N, T-E-N, and B-E-N. Men, then, den, ten, and ben. All of these words have E-N as the end, so they are from the family E-N. Okay, all right. Doing great, doing great. Let's go on to the next words. These words are fell, bell, well, tell, and yell. Let's spell them out. They rhyme, so spell them out to find out what family they're in. F-E-L-L, B-E-L-L, W-E-L-L, and T-E-L-L, and finally Y-E-L-L. What word family are they in? L-E-L-L. All right, my dear. Good job today, Jamia. Great work. And this will get you through day 1 and 2 of your reading, and I'll be back later with your next story. So have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.